Hello, and welcome to the dilution video for Chemistry 116. In this video, we will be defining the meniscus, comparing the stock solution as well as the diluted solution, as well as display the technique utilized to dilute a stock solution. To begin, this is what a proper lab attire should look like. Bottoms covering the legs completely, the shirt also covering the torso, as well as the shoes covering the feet fully. There should be no holes on the clothing as well, and make sure to always wear your safety glasses when in lab. Let's start with the meniscus.
Meniscus is a curve that forms on the surface of a liquid towards the edges.
A menisculus forms because water molecules are attracted to the wall molecules of the container they're in and cause other molecules to follow.
Thus, the imbalance of adhesion and cohesion within the liquid molecules and the container causes the meniscus curve to form.
Read the meniscus by looking at the bottom of the curve at eye level and record volume with a 1 degree uncertainty while reading the graduations from the top to bottom. In this case, our initial volume is about 2.6 milliliters. Now, let's look at some definitions and the equation to find the concentration of a diluted solution.
A stock solution is a solution that is already prepared and its concentration is known. It is primarily used to make less concentrated solutions. Dilution is the process of making a less concentrated solution using the stock solution.
In this case, we will be adding water to our stock solution to dilute it. The equation that we use to find the concentration of the diluted solution is C1 times V1 equals to C2 times V2, where C1 is the concentration of the stock solution, V1 is the initial volume, the C2 is the concentration of the diluted solution, and then V2 is the final volume. If we know any three values for this equation, we can find the fourth value by substituting in the known three values and solving for the fourth value. This is how we find the final concentration for our diluted solution by substituting in the values for C1, V1, as well as V2 to find C2.
Here we are drawing our stock solution into the pipette to transfer it to a volumetric flask. And here we are using a transfer pipette to add water to the 25 milliliters graduation.
As we can see, the meniscus sits right on the 25 milliliter graduation mark. Now we begin the cleanup process by disposing of any liquids in the sink, as well as using paper towels to make sure there is no residue or any liquids on the table, and also putting back all materials used back in their places where they came from.